Hi friends, today we're going to speak about another cool tool available with Windows 10. This can be used to support somebody else who really need a help in some of the issue that they're facing with Windows 10 machines. So how usually we support somebody else? We walk into their office or their home and fix the problem and come back. And these days it changed slightly, like we take a remote session over many tools which is available in the market. It can be an online meeting solutions like Cisco WebEx, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and so forth, Google Meet. They all have the remote desktop sharing option. If that is not an option, we go to some other well-known remote support tool, something like TeamViewer, AnyDesk, AmiAdmin, and so forth. There are multiple possible free tool available in the market which can be used for personal use. Of course, when it comes to the business, they are all chargeable. What if we can use something which is part of Windows operating system? As long as we use Windows 10, if any tool that comes part of it is more trusted than any other tool. The reason why I suggest you to use Quick Assist, it is super simple to use. You don't need any technical capabilities in order to understand how to use Quick Assist, which in terms means that you can ask anybody who's not technically good to also share their desktop without going through any sort of difficult procedures. So rather than giving a lot of introduction about Quick Assist, let's jump into it and see how this functions. To open Quick Assist, click on Start button and type Quick and you will find Quick Assist app and open it. And in Quick Assist you have two options. One is Get Assistance. In case if you want to give the remote access to this machine, you use the first option, and if you want to assist somebody, click Assist Another Person. And it will generate a code. While the code is generating, let me connect another machine which I am going to take control of. So on the right side you can see the device. This is my Surface, and on my left it is my laptop. So I am going to open Quick Assist on my Surface Pro as well. So in this case I am giving access to my Surface Pro. So in the Surface Pro we will say that we need to get assistance, and the code that is generated in the laptop will be provided here in order to give the remote assistant permission for the person who's going to support you. So there is a time of about 10 minutes to which the code is valid. So you need to ensure you use the code within the 10 minutes. In case if you exceed the time, then you'll have to generate a new code. So once the code is entered on the remote machine, you will get two options, either take full control or view screen. The difference between these two, in view screen you will only be able to see what the other person is doing, so you have to keep giving the instructions. So basically, if the other person do not want to give you an access in order to make some changes, you can always give instruction by seeing what the other person is doing. In all cases, the remote party has to give you permission by clicking on Allow button. Once the Allow button is pressed, then you will get the access to the remote machine. Today in this session I have chosen to take the full control. So once I have the full control on the remote machine, I can do almost every activity on the machine. I don't have to say almost. You can do every activity that you can do remotely, be it an administrative task, opening any folder, browser, browse through internet, and so forth. Almost no noticeable delays in performing any activities on the remote machine. And let's quickly look at some of the features. There is something called annotation. In case if you want to annote something, when you're saying something, look at this place, the other party may not be able to follow it. So you can annotate. This is one option available with it. Click on Exit Annotation once done, and then you will find the other possible action that you can do with the Quick Assist. You can see most of the options are available which you really need when you are in a remote session. Say for example, if the other party have more than one monitor connected to the machine, you can navigate through the multiple monitor which is available in the other side. You also have something similar to a chat. You can exchange messages by typing something on the chat in case if you are not on a voice call or anything with the other party. Yes, this is definitely useful. But you can always use a notepad or something in order to exchange messages, which normally we does. This is an option, just showing you in case if you wish to use it. There are two more very good features available. One is opening task manager, in order for you to kill any process which you feel it is breaking the other machine. So you can use the task manager directly from the remote desktop assistance app, which is Quick Assist app. The other one is pausing. So for example, the other party want to do something personal while you are in a remote. We always have an option to pause it, so that the transmission of remote session will be in pause mode, and the other party can do their personal activity, and once it is done, the other party can resume the session and you will get the access back to the remote session. This is one important feature which I feel it is going to be useful in most cases to all of us. And once the remote session is over, either party can stop the session by clicking the button end, and this will complete the Quick Assist session. Now we have seen how Quick Assist works. Isn't it really simple? I'm sure that you all liked it. I personally recommend you to use this. Why to invest on something else when something is available, part of the operating system that you already invested for? So you can give it a try and let me know if it disconnects for any reason. In my experience with my network connectivity, I haven't observed any network disconnection or a latency. So try using it and share your comments. How did you feel about Quick Assist? Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe the channel if you like the video, and I will be coming up with new videos. Have a nice day.